Alright, y'all, so I'm just going to be doing a like get unready with me, okay, type story time. Honey, let me tell y'all about why I stopped doing hair, okay? So I'm gonna be using these wipes. To be completely honest, I don't always use makeup wipes. I just get in the shower, just with my face like this, and I just run my face under water or whatever. But you're not supposed to do that. But anyway, let me get into the story because I really don't want this to be long. So I used to be real big into doing hair. I was even at one point kind of considering going to school for it and stuff. So you can say like I was somewhat of like a kitchen beautician, right? And I was just like really, really hot. Like you can ask anybody. Like I used to do like hella hair. I used to like sell hair and stuff. Like I was really, really hot in the streets. So what started happening was a couple of things started happening. People were like, they would come and they was bringing a whole bunch of other people with them. Okay, so I don't know if y'all ever like did a service and people would come and instead of just having them, they bring like their whole entourage and their whole family. So that was a problem right there. Cause I'm just like, dang, you bring all your kids, people breaking stuff, people hungry, they want to eat, they want to do all this extra stuff. You know what I'm saying? It was just too much. So on top of that going on, you know, people were like they would sit in my chair and talk about other people, like really really talk about other people, like dog other people out, and me, I'm the type of person I listen to people all day. If you're doing somebody's hair, you ain't really got no other choice but to kind of listen to what people say or whatever. So me, I listen. Anybody who know me, I give commentary. That's why a lot of people be liking to kind of talk to me or whatever, because I'm dramatic. I'm just like, what? Nah, good. Shut up. So people would come over and they would like talk about other people. And so some of the people I knew, some of the people I didn't know. Most of the time I just be like, really? What? No. You know what I'm saying? That's just me. That's just what I do. And they be like, yeah, girl, such, this, such, that. And then a lot of these people would go back, these same people that they would talk about, they would go back and talk to them. You know what I'm saying? Like they would be like, yeah, I don't like such and such. Like, oh, I don't like, I don't know what's a made up name. Because last time I was making up names in my story time, somebody thought I was talking about them. So I don't like pineapples. So yeah, and pineapples did this and pineapples did that. Then next thing you know, once they leave my house, or even while they're at my house, they're texting, pineapples and saying, oh yeah, Erin was talking about you and this happened. Like I don't like stuff like that, because I would honestly like just be listening to like what they're saying, and then it'll be like, girl, yeah, and then this and then this and that. Just being like super, super, super messy. And people would then that cause like drama and stuff like that. And then a couple of times for me doing it at my house, my car had got vandalized quite a few times, like 3 times, just from people being messy, from people lying and stuff. And it was just beginning to be too much. And then on top of that, if you guys do hair, any type of service, you'll know that people will literally blame you for everything. Like you can do their hair and they literally won't take care of their hair, and they'll be like, oh, you took my hair out, or oh, my hair didn't last, knowing daggone well they just don't know how to take care of it, or they don't know what they're doing. And it just started to get annoying. I did this girl braids one time, and 2 months later, like after I did her braids, she said she wanted a full refund. I'm like, are you kidding? I got makeup all in my eye. I'm like, are you kidding? So it was just crazy stuff like that happening. People wanting refunds and just crazy stuff. People want to blame you for stuff. People bringing their whole family over when you just doing one person hair, and they trying to eat your stuff. And then this one girl came up, like brought her baby over, and her baby like broke this really expensive vase. And I was like, OMG. And she's like, girl, I'm so sorry and stuff. And I wish I had some money to give you for it and stuff like that. Like, it was a huge vase. Her baby was running around and knocked it off the table. And I'm just like, you know what? I just can't do this no more. It was just too much. It was emotionally draining. And I was like, that's it. Like, I like doing it, but I'm done. And I just started to lose, like, passion for it. Like, I just was not interested in it anymore. And then it came with so much drama and so much mess. And it would just be crazy because people would like hit me and be like, oh, I heard you was talking about me, or such and such and such. She came, got her hair done. She was talking about you, was talking about me. I'm like, what? And it'd be the opposite. You know, and I guess they'll do it. They'll sit in there and talk about the person just to see like what you'll say. I'm guessing that's why. That's what people would do, because those people would literally sit there and be like, yeah, I don't like her, and I don't like her, and I don't like what she did, and she did this, and she did that, and I hate her because of this, and she was talking to this boy, and then I go and switch it, and I'm like, that is so crazy. Like, and then it's childish, you know, like, who does that? Just a crazy, crazy, crazy situation. But anyway, that's some of the reasons why I had just stopped doing hair. It was just too much, too overwhelming, and just too much of a headache. So I decided to give it up. Do y'all do any type of service, and have y'all experienced any of these type of things? Leave it down below so we can discuss. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.